These are our copper square bars you see here. Sizes range from 20 by 20 millimeters to 150 by 150 millimeters. Cut to length up to 4 meters upon request. They feature excellent surface finish and dense microstructure with electrical conductivity greater than or equal to 98% IACS, making them ideal for high voltage switch contacts, transformer bus bars, and precision mold inserts. Dimensional tolerance within the same heat can be controlled to plus or minus 0.5 millimeters, meeting the strict requirements of most machining facilities for allowance and consistency. With over 1,000 tons of round bars, bus bars, and square bars in constant stock, we can arrange shipment within 24 hours.